This 2026 Heartland Prowler 2201 MDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Pasco, Washington, 99301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Pasco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, Slideout, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.